What is t-test? A t-test is a statistical method used to determine if there is a significant difference between the means of two groups or samples. It is commonly employed when working with numerical data to compare the averages of variables from different populations or treatments. The t-test calculates a t-value based on the means and standard deviations of the groups, along with the sample sizes and assumptions about the data's distribution. There are several types of t-tests. One-sample t-test. This test compares the mean of a single sample to a known value or theoretical mean. It is useful for determining if a sample differs significantly from a population mean or a specified value. Independent samples t-test. This test compares the means of two independent groups to assess if there is a statistically significant difference between them. It is often used in experimental and observational studies where subjects are assigned to different treatment groups. Paired samples t-test, also known as a dependent samples t-test, this test compares the means of two related groups, such as before and after measurements on the same subjects. It is useful for evaluating the effectiveness of interventions or treatments over time. The t-test relies on the assumption that the data follow a normal distribution and that the variances of the groups being compared are approximately equal. However, there are variations of the t-test that can be used when these assumptions are not met, such as Welch's t-test for unequal variances or non-parametric alternatives like the Wilcoxon sign rank test or Mann-Whitney U-test. Overall, the t-test is a versatile and widely used statistical tool for assessing differences in means and determining the significance of these differences, making it valuable in various fields such as psychology, medicine, biology, and social sciences. Application of t-test. The t-test finds extensive application across various fields due to its versatility in comparing means and determining the significance of differences between groups or conditions. Here are some common applications of the t-test. Biomedical research. Clinical trials. In drug trials, researchers use t-tests to compare the effectiveness of a new treatment against a standard treatment or a placebo. Medical studies, t-tests help evaluate the impact of interventions on patient outcomes, such as comparing pre- and post-treatment measurements. Psychology and behavioral sciences. Experimental studies, t-tests are used to analyze data from experiments involving control and experimental groups to determine if there is a significant effect of an independent variable. Surveys and questionnaires. Researchers use t-tests to compare responses between different groups of participants, such as comparing attitudes or behaviors between genders or age groups. Education. Educational interventions. T-tests are employed to assess the effectiveness of teaching methods or interventions by comparing student performance before and after implementation. Achievement tests. T-tests help determine if there are significant differences in academic performance between groups of students, such as comparing test scores between schools or districts. Business and economics. Market research. T-tests are used to analyze consumer preferences and behaviors, such as comparing the mean ratings of two products or advertising strategies. Financial analysis. T-tests help assess the significance of differences in financial metrics between groups, such as comparing the performance of two investment portfolios. Quality control and manufacturing. Product testing. T-tests are utilized to compare the quality or performance of products from different manufacturing processes or suppliers. Process improvement. T-tests help evaluate the effectiveness of process improvements by comparing key metrics before and after changes are implemented. Social sciences. Sociological studies. T-tests are used to analyze survey data and compare social phenomena between different groups or populations. Criminal justice research. Researchers use t-tests to examine differences in crime rates or recidivism rates between various demographic groups. These are just a few examples of how the t-test is applied in different disciplines. Its ability to assess differences in means while considering sample sizes and variability makes it a valuable tool for drawing meaningful conclusions from data in both research and practical settings. Common platforms and tools where you can do t-test. You can perform a t-test using statistical software or programming languages that support statistical analysis. Here are some common platforms and tools where you can conduct t-tests. Statistical software. SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, widely used in social sciences and research. SPSS provides a user-friendly interface for conducting t-tests and other statistical analyses. R, a powerful and versatile statistical programming language, R offers several packages. Example, t.test function in the base stats package for performing t-tests and advanced statistical analysis. Stata, popular among researchers in economics, sociology, and public health. Stata includes commands for running various types of t-tests. SAS, commonly used in healthcare, business analytics, and social sciences. SAS provides procedures for conducting t-tests as part of its statistical analysis capabilities. Spreadsheet software. Microsoft Excel. While Excel is not as robust as dedicated statistical software, it does offer t-test functionality through the Data Analysis Toolpak add-in. You can use Excel for basic t-tests in smaller datasets. Google Sheets. Similar to Excel, Google Sheets also supports t-tests through add-ons or built-in functions, making it suitable for basic statistical analysis. Programming languages. Python. Python's scientific computing libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas provide functions for conducting t-tests. Example, scipy.stats.ttest_in for independent samples t-tests. MATLAB, MATLAB Statistics and Machine Learning Toolbox includes functions for performing t-tests and other statistical analyses. Julia. Julia has packages like Hypothesis Tests, JL, that enable t-tests and various hypothesis tests. Online tools. Statistical websites. Several websites offer online calculators and tools for conducting t-tests without the need for software installation. Examples include GraphPad's t-test calculator, QuickCalcs by GraphPad, and Social Science Statistics. Cloud-based statistical software, platforms like JASP, Jeffrey's Amazing Statistics Program, offer cloud-based solutions for statistical analysis, including t-tests. When choosing where to perform your t-tests, consider factors such as the complexity of your analysis, the size of your dataset, the availability of required features, example handling missing data, calculating effect sizes, and your familiarity with the software or programming language. For advanced analysis or large datasets, dedicated statistical software or programming languages may offer more flexibility and capabilities.